Hey everyone, Dennis from Southwest Tech Solutions here. I wanted to just show you a cool little application that I found recently called Patch My PC Home Updater. It's a little app that'll basically scan your computer, go over what applications you have installed, uh, show you what needs to be updated, and it'll handle all that for you. Not affiliated with these guys at all, but I do find it pretty handy, and I've started using it on my own computer. Well, they do have a corporate version, I guess, for managed service providers and enterprises as well, which we won't go over here, but we'll just show you the ins and outs of the kind of personal home PC version. You can get this at the URL up here, which I'll put in the description as well. And basically, when you open it up, you see a list of applications that it found. All these applications that I have on my PC, it's showing that the majority of them are up to date. Um, even go to the app library and select to install a whole bunch of apps too. So it's kind of like an app store, or if you're familiar with the Linux world, like a package manager with a user interface kind of thing. Um, so it's pretty neat. See all the different apps and whatnot and choose from, and has tons of settings here. You can change the settings so that when you open the application, it automatically starts updating things. When updating an application, automatically close the application. Silently install and update applications, which is very handy, so you don't have to go through every single installer manually. So there's more. There's more here, but you can take a look. Just different options for where you're going to store your downloads for portables and log files and all that stuff. And there's even a uninstaller as well, so you can centralize where you uninstall, kind of like the built-in Windows thing, but seems to work. Seems to work a little bit better actually. And you can of course select um, multiple multiple items. Not sure why there's no items selected. Interesting, but you can manually click the buttons to uninstall them. Oh, there we go. This time, so you can uninstall a group of them as well. And of course, you can even set up a scheduler so that, for example, every Monday at 7 p.m., it checks for um, updated applications and can even install them. Anyways, not a long video today. Just wanted to kind of give you a brief outline of this neat little tool and give it a try. I've updated a number of things and it seems to go really well. And it just kind of downloads them. You can click all the different ones. I'm not going to update these ones at the moment, but you can click on the word outdated and it'll update it. And then if you click on multiple ones, it'll just queue them up, take care of them one after the other. So anyways, hope you enjoyed, and let me know if this is something that you'd consider using on your PC there down in the comments below. Thanks.